Hi guys, welcome back to Kay's Kitchen. Today we'll be making homemade lasagna. For our ingredients, we have at least 2 packages of lasagna noodles, chopped up onion, at least 2 to 3 pasta sauce jars, 1 egg, minced garlic, Italian seasoning, seasonal, your ground beef, black pepper, parsley. I have mild Italian sausage. They have hot, or if you don't like Italian sausage, you can do another pound of ground beef, Parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and shredded cheese. Okay, so first step is to boil your water. Once you get your water to a boiling point, you want to add your lasagna noodles so they can get soft. So we're going to add both packages. And then once our lasagna noodles are done cooking and are soft, we're going to drain them and run cold water over them so they don't get sticky. Alright, we're going to wait for that to cook and we'll be right back. Alright guys, here is my noodles. I stacked them so they wouldn't stick to each other. I also ran cold water over them once I drained them. Alright, our next step will be cooking the meat, which will include the pasta sauce, onion, Italian sausage, ground beef, minced garlic, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and seasonal. Alright guys, so I've added my meat to my pan. Now I'm going to add my black pepper. And you can season this however you like. This is just how I season my lasagna meat. And then my Italian seasoning. And my seasonal. Once you add your seasonings, you just want to cook it until it's all brown. And then you want to drain it. And then once we do that, we'll come back so we can add our onions and garlic. Alright guys, now that I drained the oil out of the meat, I'm going to add our onion. And minced garlic. And then I'm going to stir this together. Make sure you put your stove back on after draining the meat. Now once we cook the onion down just a little bit with the meat, we're going to add our spaghetti sauce or marinara sauce into it to make our tomato sauce. Alright guys, now that I cooked down my onions, we're going to add our marinara sauce. And after this, we're just going to let it mix together and warm up while we make our ricotta mixture. I'm going to mix it all in the meat. And then we're going to put it on low so it can get warm until we mix it in with our lasagna. Alright, so for our ricotta mixture, we're going to have ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, and an egg. So first we're going to do our ricotta. We're going to do about a cup to 2 cups of ricotta cheese. And then we're going to add some of our Parmesan cheese, our mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to add our egg to soak it all up. And we're just gonna mix it until it's all mixed together. We want the egg to mix in with the ricotta evenly, so you're not tasting any egg. Alright, and here is our ricotta mixture. It thinned out just a little bit, which is fine because of the egg. Now we're going to assemble our lasagna. Alright guys, now to assemble our lasagna, we have our noodles, our 2 shredded cheeses, our ricotta mix, a pan, and our meat. So first we're going to layer it with lasagna noodles. We're going to layer it long ways. Make sure there's no gaps in between your noodles. Alright, now once you do your noodle layer, you're going to do your meat. I'm going to spread it all over. I'm going to make sure there's enough meat on every bite. Alright, now once you have your meat mixture, you're going to add your ricotta. You're just going to do spoonfuls in between. So maybe about 3 to 4 spoonfuls each layer. Then we're going to add a mixture of both of our cheeses. I have mozzarella cheese and Colby Jack cheese. And you can put as much cheese or ingredients as you want on this. You're going to do your lasagna. Alright, now I'm going to do a layer of my Colby Jack cheese. So now I'm just going to repeat the steps with the layers: lasagna noodles, meat, ricotta, and shredded cheese. Alright, so the last layer will be just noodles, and then you add cheese on top so it can toast in the oven. Alright guys, here is my lasagna. You can add more cheese or less cheese on top if you like. It's your decision. Now I'm going to turn the oven to 350. And we're going to bake the lasagna for about 1 hour. Alright, I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, here is the lasagna. I like mine a little crispy on the top. To me, that's the best part. Alright, now we're going to put it on the plate and see how it turned out. Alright guys, we're going to cut a piece off and see how it turned out. Oh, it's very saucy. Got a lot of sauce on there. Look at that cheese. Alright guys, here is my lasagna. Comment down below what you think of it. Does it look good? How did yours come out? Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.